I'm Dan with the Carpet Medic. Today we want to show you a little bit about how to find pet urine in your carpet. What you're going to see today is we have a nice carpet here. Go ahead and take a look at that. Looks fine, everything looks great, but the customer was complaining of a little bit of a smell. So all you need to do is find a black light. You can get these at Home Depot for around $10, and we're going to plug it in and you will see what happens when we do that. Okay, go ahead and get the light there. Okay, the carpet that you once saw, now we put the black light on it. You begin to see all of the urine spots show up. Okay, now not everything you're seeing here is urine, but most of it is. Some of the brighter white spots, and I realize it's tough to see because it doesn't translate very good in the dark, but a spot like this here is a bright white. That is a cleaner typically that has left some residue, but most of the other spots you see are yellow and they are pet urine. So that is how you find pet urine in your home. Warning, you may not want to know how much is in your carpet. It may make you sick, but that's how you do it. All right, thanks for stopping by.